Test a single website and you can earn over $300. Install and test another app and earn more than $500. Each app test can easily bring in over $6, whether you use a smartphone, computer, laptop, or tablet. So like this video and let's dive into the first testing site on our list, UserTesting.com. UserTesting is one of the premier websites for getting paid to test websites and apps. Today, I'll be highlighting 5 websites that pay you to test, ranking them from the least to the highest paying. This way, if some sites aren't available in your country, you'll have other options to earn money online. For future videos, comment below with your country and the device you use so I can tailor content for you and others from your region. Now, the last testing site I'll share is my favorite, as it offers payments up to $500 per test. Stick around until the end to find out more. First, when you visit UserTesting.com, click on the Get Paid to Test button. This will direct you to a page where you can enter your email and start the registration process by clicking Get Started. Before diving in, let me explain how it works. Submit your email and complete a brief practice test to match you with the best testing projects. Then, answer some screening questions to find the right earning opportunities. Once matched with a project, you start the test by using the website, app, or software, and share your experience and feedback. Once your test is approved by the project owners, you get paid. Simply provide honest feedback about the project, and you will be compensated for using and reviewing the websites and apps. The great thing is, these sites pay through PayPal, Payeer, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, or directly into your bank account. UserTesting offers various earning methods, taking surveys, recording tests where you share your opinions via audio or video, and participating in live conversations, which pay the most. If you scroll down, you'll see the device specifications needed for different devices like Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. So just register, start testing, and get paid. The second site on our list is TestingTime.com. Signing up is free, and the number of tests you get depends on your profile, location, and other factors. Click on Become a Tester, sign up, and answer some questions to set up your profile. You'll see tests that match your profile, select the date and time that suits you, and get paid a few days after completing a test. These sites won't make you rich, but they're a great side hustle to earn an extra $100 to $500 a month. Remember, you might not get tests every day, but potentially 2, 3, or 5 a week if you're lucky. Next, we have UTest.com. It's one of the largest testing sites, offering a wide range of tests for websites, apps, and new software. The good thing is that UTest is available in nearly all countries, so you can participate from anywhere, whether you're in the United States, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, South Africa, or elsewhere. UTest lets you earn money testing products from popular brands like Google, Facebook, Uber, McDonald's, Starbucks, and Tesla. They provide free training courses before giving you tests, ensuring you're well prepared. The fourth site is PlaytestCloud.com. If you enjoy gaming, this site lets you test gaming apps and get paid. Although they don't have many games, the available ones are interesting and pay around $9 for 15 minutes of testing. Click Become a Tester, register, and start playing and testing games. Finally, the highest paying site on our list is UserInterviews.com. With a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, it's one of the best for sharing opinions and getting paid. The average study pays over $60. Once logged in, you can find jobs that match your profile and filter by the highest paying ones. For example, one test interview pays $375 for 60 minutes, which is $6.25 per minute. Sign up for UserInterviews.com and start making money testing websites and apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn how you can make money by uploading photos, check this next video.